In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into Trello step by step. Whether you're brand new to Trello or you just haven't logged in for a while, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process so you can access your boards, tasks, and projects without any confusion. Trello is a powerful project management tool used for organizing tasks, collaborating with teams, and managing workflows, so getting logged in properly is the first step to staying productive. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in Trello.com and press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the official Trello homepage. Always make sure you are visiting the correct website, which is Trello.com, to ensure your account stays secure. Once the Trello homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on the Login button. This will redirect you to the Atlassian login page, since Trello accounts are managed through Atlassian. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Click inside the email field and type the email address associated with your Trello account. Make sure you enter it correctly, without any spelling mistakes. After entering your email, click the Continue button just below the email field. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your password. This is the password connected to your Atlassian account. Carefully type your password into the password field. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check your capitalization if needed. Below the password field, you'll see an option labeled Remember Me. If you're logging in on your personal computer and you don't want to enter your credentials every time, you can check this box. However, if you're using a shared or public computer, it's safer to leave this unchecked to protect your account. After entering your password and choosing whether to enable Remember Me, click the Login button. If your email and password are correct, you'll be successfully logged in and redirected to your Trello dashboard, where you can see all your boards and start managing your tasks. If you prefer not to log in using an email and password combination, Trello also gives you alternative sign-in options. On the login page, you can choose to continue with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Simply click the option that matches the account you want to use and follow the prompts to authenticate. This can be a faster and more convenient option, especially if you're already signed in to one of those services on your browser. And that's it. That's exactly how to log into Trello. As you can see, the process is straightforward and only takes a minute or two. Just go to Trello.com, click Login, enter your email, click Continue, type your password, optionally select Remember Me, and then click Login to access your account. Alternatively, you can sign in using Google, Microsoft, or Apple for even quicker access. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.